Welcome to the EdTech Tutor channel, how-to demonstrations and tutorials for technology tools in K-12 and higher education. Be sure to like and subscribe this channel and comment below. EdTech Tutor Talk, we had a video on K-12 mouse skills. So let's talk about a typing test and checking our typing skills. So we have a couple website resources here. I'll put in the description below. So typingtest.com, check your typing skills in 60 seconds. So we can choose a 1-minute test, 2-minute test, 3-minute test, 5-minute test. And we can do easy text, medium text, hard text, or spelling, blind typing, storytelling. So lots of different themes we can practice over and over. So I'm going to do a 1-minute test to show you how this works with easy text. So easy typing test for students to learn. So let's click Start Test. So we're going to type this in blue, and as soon as we begin typing, it's going to time us. Okay? Let's put a space. So spelling will count, but I'm backspacing. Maybe I won't backspace on the next one. I am not looking at the keyboard. So this is typing for 1 minute. So you need punctuation. Okay, I'll leave that an error. Space. You need capitals. So I can do backspace to get it right. So just keep typing until the timer runs out. Analyzing results. So there's my test score. So 38 words per minute, 94% accuracy, 2 typos, equals 36 words per minute. So not quite average. So average is somewhere in here 45 words per minute. I'm not a typer. So we can continue with taking these tests. So we can do a medium test, hard test, tricky spelling, blind typing, story typing, theme text, medical. So there's professional tests down here. So if we want to do a legal test, medical test, business. So we can continue from our student perspective. Let's do another one really quick here, tricky spelling. So 1 minute with tricky spelling. So this is a good typing exercise to learn how to type. So in traditional classrooms, there used to be typing class. So some people remember on a typewriter or word processor. Then it moved to desktop computers. This is tricky. So this is a really good skill to learn for students to create essays and reports, and for the workspace. All right, analyzing my skills. So my test score was a little bit less because I had tricky words. So again, typingtest.com. It's good practice exercises for all students of all different abilities. We can also go to www.typing.com/student/tests. So time test, just like the other exercises, 1-minute test, 3-minute test, or 5-minute test, or a page. Type 1 page, 2 page, or 3 page. So I'm going to do a 1-minute test to show you how this one works. Okay, this one looks a little tricky. Sounds like a typewriter, so I gotta. Yes, you have to put the spaces in there. Ooh. Ooh. Gotta put the dash in there. Okay, let's see what happens here. So your typing test was 30 words per minute with 93% accuracy. So we have some daily goals. We can print certificates. So good practice exercise for different typing levels. You can track your progress on this one in typing.com. So again, typingtest.com and typing.com, good exercises. So I want to show you on both of them, there's games that the students can play. Okay, so type with balloons, zombies. So if I go to, scroll down here on the bottom, play typing skills, teach your class. So we can use different games to help us learn different letters. So I'm going to click on a typing game here and typing games.zone. So I'm going to play the racing game, start race. So if typing is too boring or not challenging, so gamify your typing will really help the students understand and have more interaction. How am I doing? So gamify typing. So you can see how this works. Every time I mess up, there's a break. Okay, I'll stop here after orange. So it just continues until you finish the race. So good games. So www.typerush.com. So gamify your games, practice your typing skills at both of these websites. Thank you for watching.